Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your account from FlexOffers, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the recovery process for your FlexOffers account, navigate to the FlexOffers website. Locate the login button on the home page. Click on the button to access the login page. On the login page, you will see a link that says Forgot Password. Click on this link to initiate the password recovery process. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your account. Type your email address into the designated field and submit the form. Check your email inbox for a message from FlexOffers. If you do not see the email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, open it to view the password reset instructions. Click on the link provided in the email to reset your password. You will be directed to a secure page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the provided field. After submitting your new password, you will receive a confirmation message. Return to the login page on the FlexOffers website. Enter your email address and the new password you just created. Click the login button to access your account. If you encounter any issues during the login process, double-check your credentials. If necessary, repeat the password recovery steps to ensure accuracy. In case you still cannot access your account, scroll to the bottom of the login page. Look for the Contact Us link for further assistance. Clicking this link will provide you with options to reach out to FlexOffers support. Prepare to provide your account details to the support team. They will guide you through any additional steps needed to recover your account. Follow the instructions provided by the support team carefully. Once your account is recovered, consider updating your security settings. Ensure that your recovery options are up to date for future safety. This completes the account recovery process for FlexOffers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.